What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. Hope to be uploading a lot more videos soon. Today I want to talk about selling shirts on eBay. I know a lot of you guys out there are selling shirts on Merch, Etsy, Redbubble, Spreadshirt. There's a lot of places to do it, but nobody's really doing eBay. The reason why is you're using the wrong print partner. A lot of these people out there, they're taking upwards of 7 days to produce a shirt, and it just doesn't work on eBay. I use SPOD, Spreadshirt Print on Demand. I'm sure you're familiar with who Spreadshirt is. They're one of the biggest POD services in the country. They have an average print time of 2 days. Some shirts go out the same day, next day, up to 3 days sometimes. I set my shipping times for 3 days for production just in case, and I have no issues doing that. I hear a lot of people say they've tried eBay and their metrics just can't handle it with all the bad feedback and everything. I've gotten one negative feedback, one neutral feedback, and a year of selling on eBay with SPOD. I will show you my metrics real quick. For some reason it hasn't went over 1,000, even though I've sold over 1,000 shirts. But you can see 99% tracking upload time, 0.3 late shipment rate, 0.1% defect, top rated seller. I get the fast and free logo on a lot of my listings. You don't pick and choose when it's there. They just put it there, and that helps boost your sales. You're not going to get that with other print partners. You will get that occasionally with SPOD. eBay does it on their own. I don't know how to make it happen, but it just does it sometime. I'll show you some of my feedback real quick. You guys will see that, I get the same thing over and over. Fast shipping, amazing, fast shipping, great quality. Somebody said made of heavy duty parts. That was a sweatshirt, I swear. I don't know why they said heavy duty parts, but I'll take it. So let's talk about SPOD and my listing process here. So I told you SPOD is Spreadshirt. Their standard t-shirt, which is a men's shirt, I mark it as a unisex shirt often. It just works out better like that. Starts at $6.39 with print. The shipping is $3.57, so that means you get it to your customer for under $10. That's a lot better than everybody else out there, and it is a quality shirt. I don't get returns for quality. My return rate is very low. It's always oversized, never over quality. You can do shipping worldwide. I think it's under $4 for every country. Yeah. So I charge an extra $5 to ship out of the country. In the country, I free shipping, even though the shipping rate's about the same. So I make more money when I ship out of the country. I don't get a lot of sales, but I do get some. All right. So I'm going to show you how I list a shirt and sell it. And another program I use is Cadisto Link. I use it to list on eBay. You don't have to use it, but I do use it. One thing you do have to use is Shopify. Here's the Shopify plans. You get the 14-day free trial. Down at the bottom, you'll see here, there's a $9 plan. That's what I use. I don't use the $30 plan. I don't have a website. I use the $9 Shopify Lite plan, and it lets me use all the apps I need. I'll put a link for SPOD down in the description of the video. I've also put a link for Shopify and Cadisto. Cadisto is, you don't have to use it, but I'll show you why I use it and how it helps me. So when you install SPOD, this will be your dashboard. Every day you look at it, you'll see products you need to review, waiting for production, in production, fulfilled, earnings, cost, all that good stuff. So you want to go to your settings, set up your credit card, manual order review. I leave that on. You don't really have to. I'll tell you the reason I leave it on is sometimes orders that come through on eBay get doubled up and you recognize it real quick. So I just email the customer. They'll confirm that it's been messed up, and I'll cancel one of their orders for them. It's just easier to cancel the order that way instead of having it go into processing, have it go back to cancel it out. You have the customizer down here. This is for if you have a website. It's a great tool. This is one of the reasons I do want to build a website eventually. You can let your customers customize their own shirts. You can upload your own designs they can use, or Spreadshirt provides a lot of designs to design with. Your basic stuff, address management, display additional print areas. That's for if you have a double-sided shirt. That way it puts a thumbnail, shows you both sides of the shirt. I don't do a lot of double-sided shirts. I either do front or back. Double-sided only by request. Right, so we're going to add a product. It's not normally this slow. My internet is very slow today. I'm going to look at some of the products real quick and I'll tell you which ones do the best for me. So the best product I have is, of course, the basic men's shirt. I do market as a unisex shirt. If I put a design on there that's more geared towards women, I hardly ever get returns for this shirt. Not very many at all, but they do have other style shirts. I do get requests for like next level Bella canvas shirts, and I will put those designs on different shirts for people. The baseball t-shirts, they do pretty good, not too bad. Of course, in the summer months you get the tank tops. The basic hoodie does real well for me. You get that shipped out for under 20 bucks, which I think is a pretty good deal. I have sold some hats. This lightweight unisex hoodie, it does really well. I usually use designs more geared towards women, and that shirt sells very good. Go under women's. Here's your basic women's t-shirt. It is $1 more. It's just like selling on merch by Amazon. You get a lot of returns for it because they don't look at the sizing chart. You put it in the description. I've usually found if somebody orders an extra large or above, your chances of getting returns are pretty high. Anything below that, you don't seldom get returns. But they have, as you can see, lots of styles, and I get requests for different ones. This one right here, the woman's roll cuff shirt. This is a very good seller. This is I've never had a return for this shirt. I actually had to order a sample myself just so I could actually see what the shirt really was, because I was waiting for a return just to check it out. Let's go ahead and throw a design on there. I uploaded a bunch of random designs earlier just so I could throw something on there, and I wanted to show you something else. Just like any other shirt designer, you put it on you stretch it out where you want. But something cool with these guys is this is a SVG file. If you use a SVG file, you have different options of your print type, and you can do a digital direct, which is like a vinyl. Then also they have a glitter print. Now there is an issue with the glitter print. The mock-ups do not work with it. I have a workflow that I create the glitter mock-ups with. I can make a video and show you guys how to do that later. Let me show you a sample of their glitter print. I made one for my wife. She really liked it. Sorry it's all wrinkly, but she had it put away for the summer clothes, but I made her drag it out just so I get a picture for you guys. It is really nice. I know a lot of people sell glitter designs that's not real glitter. The price doesn't change with this glitter print. The only rule is you can only use 3 different colors when you do this. I will show you guys how I do these designs. It's kind of hard to do these because you have to do each design separately. You can't just throw it up there and change the colors. You have to upload one color glitter, the other. But I can make a video later showing you guys how to do that. But for now, let's just do a basic white shirt. You pick your design, set it where you want it, create it, put your basic information in. You can add a description. I use the default description. They'll add some basic information, and you can see add a size chart. Always add a size chart, and you can add tags. This is great for if you're selling on your website. Then you set your profit margin. We'll just say $18 on this one. Then you can pick which colors you want to sell it in. And on some of the shirts, they have mock-up models, or you can just use the basic shirt. The model. And this is how you upload a product to your Shopify store. So now we'll go into how to list it on eBay itself. And for that, you can use the eBay store, which you see over here on the left. I don't have it set up right now because I have a different one linked to it and it screws it up. It's fairly easy to list on eBay with that, but I'm going to show you why I use Cadisto Link, and I'll put a link to that app down in the description also. This is Cadisto Link. Like I said, it does cost. I use the $29 plan, plus I pay a small percentage of each product. And this is what their app looks like. When you set it up, you'll go through a series of things, set your defaults up for your shipping. I always do free shipping, always do 30-day returns. Customer pays for returns. Now that shirt I just designed, it'll take a few minutes before it shows up here, but I'm going to show you real quick where Cadisto really works. So none of these shirts are listed on my eBay account yet. Oh, it showed up already. It usually doesn't work that fast. So I'm going to show you how you can list these shirts. So just click enable. And over here, your categories, it says automatic. It never seems to go to the right place. I always pick it. It has one of them. We'll call that one a men's shirt. Women's tops. Just kind of pick those. And then you want to set your pricing. So what's nice about Cadisto is you can sort the products by all these different things. You can sort them by name, code, collection, title, whatever. You can sort your products out. So I always price my shirts the same. You can sort them however you want, obviously. So my t-shirts, basic tees, I price at $21.99, but that's not what I sell them for on eBay. But if I choose that, it'll just show me those ones. I can pick both of those. Now, if there's 100 products in this list, you can highlight every product and list them all at the same time. Pick a constant price. We'll say $18.99. Update it. That's the price it'll list it at. Now, what's nice about that is every day I can change the price of every shirt in my category. And if you guys are familiar with how eBay works, they like to see activity on their listings, on your products. So it kind of gives them a refresh every day. If you look at people selling on eBay, you'll often see some people even call eBay and ask them to refresh their products. It's kind of like relisting it. It just kind of refreshes it in their search system, and it really helps sales out. So you get that where you want it, and you just click that button. I'm still under the trial on this one, obviously. This may or may not work because I have my other store linked to it. Usually just takes a few seconds. Over here you can change all kinds of things. You set a lot of this up in your basic settings, so it's always the same thing. Oop. Didn't set up my handling time. I'm going to go ahead and disable those, because I don't think it's going to work because I have a different one set up to my accounts. So that's basically how I do it. I'll make more videos detailing more of SPOD, more of Cadisto, how it works. I'll set up some things on my main account so you can actually see it in action. That's all I got for now. Thanks for watching my video.